The story of Psyche and Eros. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a mortal princess named Psyche, whose beauty was unparalleled. Her golden locks and delicate features captivated all who laid eyes upon her, and soon the people began to worship her as if she were a goddess. Psyche had never desired such attention, yet it overwhelmed her, for her beauty had become a curse. As the people showered her with praise, they forgot the goddess Venus, and this made Venus furious. In her temple, Venus seethed with anger. "How dare they worship that mortal girl Psyche as a goddess?" she cried to her son Eros, the god of love. "Make her fall in love with the most loathsome creature in the world. Only then will she learn her place." Eros, mischievously twirling his bow and arrow, smiled wickedly. "Consider it done, mother," he said, and flew off to carry out her command. Meanwhile, Psyche sat in her palace, feeling the weight of her beauty and the adoration of the people. She longed for love that was not based on her appearance. "How can I find true love when they worship me as a goddess?" she wondered aloud. As if in answer to her sadness, Zephyr, the west wind, appeared and gently swept her away. "Fear not, sweet Psyche," Zephyr said. "Your fate is not yet sealed." Zephyr carried Psyche to a hidden, beautiful garden, where she met Eros, though his face was veiled. "You are in my home now, Psyche," he said softly. "I have been watching over you, and I have fallen in love with you." Psyche, confused and hesitant, asked, "But I do not know you. How can I love someone I cannot see?" Eros's voice, full of warmth, replied, "Love is not about sight, Psyche. It is about the heart. I will only show myself when you are ready to trust in love." Despite her doubts, Psyche promised, "I will trust you, Eros. I will not look upon your face." For a time, Psyche lived happily with Eros, her heart full of love. But her sisters, growing jealous and suspicious, urged her to look at Eros's face to uncover the truth. "He is not a god," they said. "He is a monster. You must see him to know the truth." Torn between her promise and her sister's words, Psyche decided to break her vow. That night, she snuck into Eros's chamber with a lamp. She lifted the veil from his face, and there, in the glow of the light, she saw a breathtakingly beautiful god. But in her awe, a drop of oil fell from the lamp, burning Eros's skin. He awoke with sorrow and pain, and his wings fluttered sadly. "You have broken your promise, Psyche," he said, before flying away, leaving her heart broken. Desperate to find him, Psyche sought Venus, hoping for a way to regain Eros's love. Venus, satisfied with Psyche's misery, set a series of impossible tasks. "If you want him back, you must prove you are worthy," she commanded. First, Venus asked Psyche to sort a vast heap of grains. Though overwhelmed, Psyche was aided by a swarm of ants, who quickly sorted the grains for her. The gods watched her trials with silent approval as she succeeded time after time, aided by divine creatures like a river god, a talking eagle, and more. Finally, Venus sent Psyche to the underworld to retrieve a box of beauty from Persephone. Psyche, overwhelmed by curiosity, opened the box but found not beauty, but a deep, death-like sleep that overtook her. When Eros, now healed from the wound Psyche had caused, returned, he found her in this deep slumber. With a kiss, he broke the spell, waking Psyche. "My love," he whispered, "you have endured so much. I am here now. Come, let us be together." With the gods' blessing, Eros and Psyche were united. Zeus himself declared that they would be together forever, and Psyche, once a mortal princess, became the goddess of the soul. And so Eros and Psyche lived happily, their love eternal. It became a tale of faith, perseverance, and the power of love that endures beyond trials. The gods, now watching over them, sang together, "Love is patient, love is kind, even when we cannot see. Through trials and tribulations, true love shall always be." And their love lived on through the ages, forever remembered in the hearts of gods and mortals alike. The end. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be there when the next journey begins.